Okay. Next, we're going to be doing anime. It's on page 199. You can make anything into an anime-styled drawing. Do you watch any anime or read any anime?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like what?
SpongeBob.
Okay. I don't think SpongeBob is anime, but
I
that's...
don't know what an anime is. Wait, what is it?
Like, have you ever seen, like, Pokemon?
Pokemon Go?
Sure. No. Well, yeah, I mean, that's okay. Anyway, anime, page 199. Now we're going to learn how to draw an anime girl. For this anime girl, we are going to use a 3/4 face view. Step 1. Start with a big head. Add face guidelines and a smaller stick body with short legs and oval feet. Add a line for angled shoulders, a line for the hips, and again, 2 ovals for the feet. Step 2. Add to body. Add the eye shape, again, big. Add stick arms and oval hands. Step 3. Thicken the torso and add a skirt shape. Also add iris lines. For the skirt, curve the base. Step 4. Thicken arms and add a shirt. Erase the eye guidelines and add oval pupils. Add thumbs to the hands and add ruffles to the skirt. Step 5. Add a nose, a mouth, and hair buns. You can also thicken the legs at this point. Step 6. Erase the center guides and add hair. Also add a tie. Step 7. Erase the headlines. Add shiny eye circles. Add a teddy bear if you want. Step 8. Add more details. Add clips in the hair, freckles on the nose, stripes on the stockings, hair highlights. Shade pupils black and put spike lines in the iris, and shiny spots on the shoes.